So the hollow body call for June, just doing 15 seconds a side. Last month we did isometric holds, 15 seconds a side. This month we're going to rock, so it's just a development on that. So when you're rocking here, you can do a shorter lever, like that, and just going from the shoulder blades to the pelvis. Remember to use a mat if you are a bit sensitive on the back. It isn't nice, you don't want to bruise up and down your spine, so if that's the case. If you don't have a mat, you just want to get the workout done, just do the hollow body hold. But you want to progress those from that position, into that position, then into that position. Keeping that body nice and tight. When you go to the sides, this one's a bit more challenging. You want to use that hand here, and then rocking from the shoulder blade to the pelvis. And then the face down one, you can use those hands, bend the legs, have the knees apart to make it a bit easier. And then knees together, hands off, and straightening out. Then you want to make sure you hit that other side as well. So with those, you're trying to condition all four sides. It's very funny. All four sides of the body, so that way you're getting that nice chain development, so right around the spine and the ribs, and then you're keeping that nice tongue position, so the neck's nice and stable from the different directions, and those different positions will cross over into that gymnastic strength and that handstand strength from that hollow side hollow and the arch position, so that way you're more stable through there. So 6 rounds of that. It is a lot, it seems very repetitive. I aim to get around 10 reps on each rock in the 15 seconds on each side, so you end up with a total of 60 rocks each side. It is quite hard, so remember, as you fatigue, shorten the lever, do the easy versions, or if you need to, just sit around out or sit 15 seconds out and then keep moving, rather than just overload the system. Do not do the reps with bad form, because it's only going to encourage bad technique in all your handstand work and bad technique in acrobatic work. So it is worth putting in the time to do it right. Enjoy.